Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
One of the leading motorcycle manufacturers, Royal Enfield has established an exclusive local assembly unit and CKD facility in Nepal. The inauguration of the new plant will expand the presence of the brand in the SAARC region. In collaboration with the renowned Triveni Group, this milestone reinforces the brand's dedication towards the Nepalese market. Royal Enfield 650. About the newly established assembly plant, Royal Enfield has established a new CKD Local Assembly Unit in collaboration with Triveni Group. Moreover, the brand has commenced the assembly operations in this plant, expanding its presence in the SAARC region. The newly established brand's 5th CKD Local Assembly Unit is located in Birganj, Nepal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.